showing the parts needed for installation. Take a screwdriver to slowly pry open the location where the fuse is installed. The instrument comes with 2 spare fuses for replacement. Remove the broken fuse and replace it with the spare fuse. Mounting accessory holder. Mounting cold handle. Mounting RF handle. Mounting spray tip. If there is no water from the nozzle, clear the water outlet with a needle. Mounting abrasion handle. The roll of rubber ring. 1. Fix the installation. 2. Prevent water leakage. Mounting ultrasound handle. Mounting scrubber tip. Put all the mounted handles into the corresponding accessory rack in turn. 1. Please install the nutrition bottles in the corresponding position of the main machine in order of ABC, from left to right. 2. To install or remove the ABC bottles, press the white button above, then remove the bottle. Do not disassemble it violently. For H2O2 bottle, rotate it to install and remove. 3. Turn the rotary knob on the top of machine to select needed bottle from A, B, C, H2O2 bottles. For instance, when rotary knob points to A, the A bottle is in use. When rotary knob points to D, the H2O2 on the back of machine is in use. Connect the power cord. Turn on the machine and activate operation interface. Scrubber, max energy, 10, recommended energy, between 3 and 7, mode, select according to personal needs. Ultrasound, max energy, 10, recommended energy, between 3 and 7, mode, select according to personal needs. RF, max energy, 20, recommended energy, between 3 and 15, mode, select according to personal needs. Abrasion, when rotary knob points to D, an H2O2 button on screen lights up. When the trash icon alarms, it means the wastewater bottle is full. Don't get worried, just pour the water out of the wastewater bottle. Cold, tap start button. Spray, tap start button. Turn off the machine. Remove dirt, oil and makeup from the face with the makeup remover. Cleanse face with cleanser. Apply cotton pads with blackhead export solution to the face for 5 minutes at the area with blackhead or whitehead. Abrasion, clean pores, remove blackhead, whitehead, skin smoothing and dead cells removal. Parameters setting, time, 5 minutes. Water output level, medium. Suction, set according to face status of the user. Move the handle in circle for 3 times, then lift once on face. After covering the whole face, clean the nose area again. Scrubber, deep cleansing, remove deep blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples. Parameter setting, time, 5 minutes. Energy, 3 to 7. Mode, default mode. Cleanse the face with a wet wipe, while gliding the scrubber from the chin to the edge of face and end at the forehead. For area with deep blackheads or pimples, press the scrubber on the blackhead to vibrate it out. Cleanse face. Spray, hydrate skin, shrink enlarged pores. Parameter setting, time, 3 minutes. Mix the toner and essence at a ratio of 2 to 1 in the spray bottle. Turn on the instrument, spray face at a distance of 10 centimeters. Colder hammer, shrink enlarged pores, calming and repairing. Parameter setting, time, 10 minutes. Apply essence to the whole face, move the spray tip in circles from the chin to the edge of face and end at the forehead. RF, activate collagen, tighten skin, improve sagging skin. Parameter setting, time, 10 minutes. Energy, 3 to 15. Mode, default mode. Apply massage cream to the face evenly. Move the RF head in circles upward on the chin, from the middle of face to the side on cheek, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. With the RF head, lift upward on the chin, from the middle of face to the side on cheek, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. Repeat the above steps on the other side. Cleanse the face. Ultrasound, stimulating cell regeneration and introducing nutrients. Parameter setting, time, 10 minutes. Energy, 3 to 7. Mode, default mode. Apply essence to the whole face, with the ultrasound head, lift from the chin to the edge of the face. Move the ultrasound head in circles from the chin to the edge of face and end at the forehead. With the ultrasound head in one hand, lift from the chin to the edge of face. Apply a mask, 15 minutes. Cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, cream, SPF to face. It is recommended to take 1 session a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 10 sessions. Contraindications: women in period of pregnancy or lactation, people with heart disease or pacemaker, people with unhealed wound from a surgery or in the recovery period, people suffering from epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, malignant tumors, people suffering from skin disease or infectious diseases.